Hi, this is La Grande Dame. I am the Parisian drag queen that reacts to beauty hacks. First hack, I got my nails, I got my blingy so that I can really react. So let's go. Boom, doesn't work. Boom, still doesn't work. Let's go. Cherries, strawberries, and some of the stuff that are liquidy and juicy. Oh, I got it. He is trying to put some shits in his face. What I really want to know, if the production bought this device. We are back with the cooking show. I am going to put strawberries. I put the cherries. Honey. Oh yeah. Then the primer. I could eat that. I broke it. They got it. We got budget, guys. We got the whole thing.
Pure water.
Ooh, and she's talking now.
Please add the nutrient solution.
I'm gonna add the nutrient solution, miss. Wait a second.
Please add collagen peptide and press start button.
Wow. I add the collagen.
Please add collagen peptide.
I just did, babe. Oh. So. Oh, it's jelly. I like that. And it smells like strawberry. It smells really good. All right. It's cold?
Yeah.
It smells good. How do you feel?
Oh,
It's a
cool.
win-win. Good hack. Woo! Ah! Oh. So we have a lady that has no. Wait. She's not gonna make me believe that this is her hair. No, girl. Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? No. What? Oh, that's a brush. That's a makeup brush. Oh, got it. If you need to do a full set of brushes, you're gonna have to be bald, literally. Then you're gonna try with the pubic hairs and the legs hairs, and then you're gonna do an eyeliner brush with your lashes, maybe. I don't know. But this is not the right way. We are going to tie the hair. I'm sorry. This is the ponytail of a very, very small pony. Tack, tack, I'm putting the glue. Ba, 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 da. Boom. I think it's holding. What? Bam. Boom. We done. Boom. It kind of works. Show this to the camera. Oh my god. Oh, it's a highlight too. Woo. I want to have the beautiful cheeks too. Don't zoom too much. Oh my god. This was the brush. This is the new revolution. I want you to buy this. I'm gonna sell them on eBay from tonight. You can get them for $40. All right. Oh, I know that girl. I know who she is. I don't really know who she is, but I've seen her. Boom. Oh no, that's not her. My bad. These are the long papers that you use not just for the regular cigarettes. And she's using it as like mattifying sheets. So we're gonna see how it works. I explain them every time and Oh, we're filming. We have a beautiful hack today that is gonna use paper. So, funny girl. We are going to test that out. Let me see. Oh, you oily girl. What I can see is that there is actually oils on the paper, but is there less oil on your face? It's less shiny, actually. And there is less and less contact with the skin, so yeah, it's a success! Next hack! Bim! Oh, there is a gentleman. I love seeing men in makeup. Oh, that's some tanning thing. Yep. Oh no, he's... Okay, I got it. It's not that he wants to be tan. His face is tan because he's bad at makeup and wears 2 shades darker than he is. But he's not wiping that makeup because he looks too good for that. He's too snatched. We have prepared the tea. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
For the glory time. Let's go! All right. No, it doesn't smell good.
No.
And I don't really think it can at all. Let it dry. Hey, you! Camera! It's useless. It smells bad. Next hack. Boom. Hack number... Who knows? So, oh no, he doesn't look good. He don't like himself. Okay, we got that. That's the gross part. Why the sock? So he put some stuff. Ew! He put some stuff in a dirty socket. Ew! And then putting it in the hair. Ew! You look worse than when you started with, you know? Oh no! There is the result. There he's rocking my wig. The bitch stole my look. It's alright. But then he's looking gorgeous, doing like, Let's get it in. Woo! Now we have waited for 15 minutes and now we are going to filter the whole thing so that the seeds are separated from the juice. So let's get it in. I don't want to do this. So... Ew! Oh, the sound, guys. What is nice is that you can shape it however you want. and hey.
I just imagined something that.
I'm good with it.
Oh my god.
Hey. So oh my god. Getting the juice out. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out of the bowl. So now this is for your hair and this is for your face. I'm very happy. Let's see how it does on your baby hairs. I'm not sure how I feel about it because it looks like it leaves a white cast, you know, a white residue into your hair. Tac. Boom. Yeah, maybe. Nice. Moving on. We are gonna put, bam, this on. It doesn't. Whoa, that's my girl. Oh, sorry, excuse me. No. Oh. Well, I think that's it. The great news is that it sticks to the face and it stings to the nose. So there is some stuff going on over there. Thank you guys, this was La Grande Dame. I hope you had a great time. I surely did. And just have the best life. And I'll see you back very soon. Bye bye.